We're gonna use these knitting needles and this blindfold, and we're gonna test how different parts of your arm and fingers are sensitive to touch.
Got it.
Now grab this blindfold and put it on. You're not cheating, you can't see, right?
Nope.
Okay, awesome. So hold out your arm for me, please. Great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to ask you if I'm gonna be touching you with 1 or with 2 knitting needles, okay?
Yep.
First one, is this 1 or 2?
That's 2.
Next one.
That's 1, 2, 1, 1.
Okay, blindfolds off. So for your first trial, you said that they were 2, and you were right, there were
Yes.
2. But for this last trial, you said 1, but there were actually 2.
I didn't get a streak.
No, but you were so close. Why don't we try this one more time together, but this time you can keep your blindfold off.
All right.
So right now, if I'm touching you here with just the one and you can see, right?
Yeah.
And so what's happening is you have a lot of touch sensors in your hand. And it's because we have to use our hands to kind of feel and communicate with the world. But up our arms, we don't need to be able to touch quite as well. So we have less of those touch sensors.
Really?
That's why when I asked you if you were feeling 1 or if you were feeling 2, you got it wrong.